Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rizky Faisal. I'm from Public Administration, Faculty of Social and Political Science, State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. Today, I will be talking about tourist attraction Situ Gunung Suspension Bridge. Situ Gunung Suspension Bridge is the longest suspension bridge in Southeast Asia. Stretches over 243 meters, 1.8 meters wide, and 121 meters altitude. Situ Gunung Suspension Bridge is located in Situ Gunung Tourist Park, Sukabumi, West Java, Indonesia, which has been one of tourism attraction for years, and it is also a part of Gunung Gede Pangrango National Park. To enter the Situ Gunung area, you have to pay an entrance ticket for 16,000 rupiah, and to get to the suspension bridge you have to pay 50,000 rupiah. After you buy the ticket, you will be directed to the amphitheater. Complete your weekend getaway by pampering your eyes with the cultural show performed by the local performers. Watch the amusing performance on an outdoor stage made of wood that gives a natural impression, while sitting on the crafted wood bench in the middle of forest. This wooden stage performs cultural performances such as traditional dance and martial arts accompanied by live accompaniment. It is performed by local performers from culture and arts community, surrounded by the audience sitting on the bench with capacity about 850 guests. Cultural performances are held every Saturday and Sunday, start from 9 a.m. in the morning until 5 p.m. in the evening, and then experience the thrilling and exciting moment of walking on the longest suspension bridge in Southeast Asia. Melodious sounds of nature mingled with the scents of woods and the mountain bridge accompany you step by step to get you to the tranquility ambience of rainforest. Situ Gunung Suspension Bridge gives you an unforgettable experience of crossing the bridge in the middle of forest. Along the suspension bridge, you can take photos with a very beautiful view above a hike surrounded by trees. Of course, it becomes an experience that will not be forgotten. The suspension bridge connects the road to the Sawer waterfall, so you don't bother to go trekking for hours to get to Sawer waterfalls. By crossing the bridge, you can save your energy and your time. Before entering the gate, you will be equipped with a safety belt, which function to anticipate all possibilities that might occur, so you can safely and comfortably cross the bridge. After crossing the suspension bridge, you can enjoy the rumbling sounds of water falling against the rocks and the beautiful view of Sawer waterfalls while standing on a wood bridge. Refreshing air and water splash spraying softly onto your face as you resting your legs from awareness of stepping on the stone ladders, or playing with water in the crystal clear river near the falls. A waterfall which height 25 meters is 1.7 kilometers distance from the gate by walking through Situ Gunung Forest. However, the course has been trimmed for about 500 meters if the visitors choose to take the Situ Gunung Suspension Bridge. Sawer Waterfalls guarantees the visitor succulence with the water splashing blown by the breeze. Soaking your body in the clear water comes from the falls will be a good choice for the visitors to rest their body. Besides being able to enjoy the ride on the suspension bridge and enjoy the beautiful waterfall, you can also enjoy the beautiful view of the Lake Situ Gunung. Satisfy your desire of calming scenery by looking at the side of Situ Gunung Lake. Beautiful landscape of the Clearwater Lake and the Milt Bridge give you the feel of looking at the exceptionally wonderful painting made by nature. Have a quality time with your family and friends while eating your favorite food, chit-chatting, or just lying down on the green grass. It is a perfect place to have picnic and enjoy the scenery of Mount Gede Pangrango at the same time with your beloved ones. Ride a water bike or travel around the lake by raft would be an interesting way to enjoy and get closer with the nature. In addition, you would love to step on bridge where you can feel the peaceful atmosphere while looking at the scenery of a small island in the center of the lake. So, the Situ Gunung Suspension Bridge attraction, not only the suspension bridge that you can enjoy, but there is a lot that you can enjoy as in this map. Number 1, camp area. Number 2, amphitheater. Number 3, the balcony. Number 4, flying fox. Number 5, suspension bridge. Number 6, shower waterfall. Number 7, canteen. And number 8, Lake Situ Gunung. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.